You say thank you, Aunt Jackie?
Say thank you.
You say thank you? So patiently waiting. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, I know you're hungry too. He's fainting from hunger. Oh yeah, yeah.
He's probably so tired.
Let's see what he does. Let's see.
You know how to put it on, Papa?
He hasn't had one his size. Yay! You did it! Yeah, help him put it on. Like a glove. It is a glove. See? Yes! Liam! Look at that! Liam, your size! Now what do you do? What do you do? That's right!
Yeah.
I love it!
Yeah.
He laughs at that. He thinks that's so cute. You did it! Yay, Liam! Now you're all set for your future then.
She's going to catch Papa.
Yeah, you did it.
Your hands is backwards.
Kind of. Good job. Ball.
Put the ball in. Now you can play with Juju.
Yes. Oh, he's going to love it. Yay.